Enemy bombers travel at hundreds of miles an hour. Every town is a target. No time now for asking what to do, where to go.
During 1914 to 1918 and 1939 to 1945, the Union of the United Kingdom was plunged into warfare. These were to be known as World War I and World War II. Various Allied parties on both sides of the oppositions would fend and fight for domination. Germany, along with Japan, Italy, and some others, would attack places like the United Kingdom, United States of America, and a lot of Eastern European countries such as the Soviet Union, France, Belgium, and Poland, which Germany occupied. Today, we document evidence of an abandoned airfield here in South Wales. Join me as we take a look inside. Okay, while we were looking for possibly entry points into the hangar, so we could just take a look at what they used to look like, we discovered something that was hidden, and it may have been hidden for 50, 70 years maybe. Welcome to the underground shelter. Okay, during the war times, the people who were working in the hangars came under attack by opposition, they would come here. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a mess now, so you have to excuse the mess in here. While we were here yesterday, we discovered that animals had been using this as a burrow and had actually burrowed their way right through. Not saying that there wasn't a panel there before, there possibly was. And there's a ventilation shaft which is on top, which I'll try and get to shortly. So, like I say, during the war times, people used to come down here and hide from and shelter from the bombs that used to be dropped here. I think this is a prolific find. Not many people around here know about it. But this is one of the strongest shelters I've seen. It's not a tunnel. It's just a concrete bunker. Not many people who watch my movies may think this is something special, but to me it means a lot. Having both a father and a grandfather that served in the forces during the war, albeit they were in the Navy, it gives you an insight onto what life would have been like. I know this is only a short movie, but for the youngsters that don't know much about war, imagine this once was crammed with people who used to work in the hangars, sheltering from bombs raining down on top of their head. What our ancestors used to go through, what our families used to go through. You know, you may be young enough to have grandfathers or fathers that fought in wars, you know, even modern times. You little youngsters, you got dads away now in different areas of the world fighting needless wars that need to be fought. or don't need to be fought. Anyway guys, I'm going to end it here. I hope you like and subscribe. Hope you like the movie, and I'll catch you again in my next one. Thank you for watching.
Enemy bombers travel at hundreds of miles an hour. Every town is a target. Any town is a target.
MVQ, calling all patrols. Air raid warning, clear all streets and stop incoming traffic.